Hello, so this completes our salsa basic playlist. I hope that I was able to explain all the moves thoroughly to give you a good understanding of salsa, like what it is, how to dance it, and a little bit of history behind it. Some overall things, salsa is not an easy dance to learn. Most people find it challenging or difficult when they first started, including myself, and I want to give some advice to help with that. My first advice is to keep practicing the basic moves like the ones we mentioned in this playlist, and most importantly, master your basic, because a lot of the moves in salsa revolve back to the basic. My second advice is to always, if needed, to look back at our videos, because we tend to explain a bit more details in the moves, such as some pointers, some hits, weight shift changes when you're doing a move, just stuff like that. And my third advice is to listen to a lot of salsa songs so you can figure out and catch on to the rhythm of the music. So you'll be able to dance to any salsa songs that are being played, whether it's at a social, at your house, or anywhere else. We will have partner work and beginner lessons and intermediate lessons in the near future, so keep an eye out for that. And I hope you've enjoyed all these lessons and had a good time learning about salsa. For some of you, this will be a start to become a better dancers, and others, it's just a reminder of the fundamentals that we have in salsa. Thank you so much, and I'll see you around.
24 horas.